Okay, what's up YouTube? This is Bilal Sayyid Ahmed. This is a tutorial on how to set up AssistantConnect4S and AssistantConnect on your iOS devices. First we're going to start with the 4S end. As you can see, this is an iPhone 4S jailbroken. First thing we're going to do here is go and install AssistantConnect4S. You tap install, confirm, wait for it to run. Reloads data. Okay, and then you hit restart Springboard. And wait for it to respring. Okay, first thing you're going to have to do for at least the first initial dump is you're going to have to actually shut off your device. It's very hard to do with one hand. Slide to power off. Wait for it to cut off. I apologize if my hand is very shaky in this video, but it's very hard to do this with one hand. Okay, looks like it's off. We cut it back on. Wait for it to boot up. Okay, and now it's cut on. So first thing we do is we need to slide to unlock and go, and to actually get the first dump to work fully the first time, you need to actually open the application. This will actually go and create the file so that it gets dumped with just all it has is essentially blank data in there, and then you just have to activate Siri. This is a test. Wait for it.
Okay, everything checks out.
And then after that you can just close it out, and then you can just do email Siri data and type in the name that you want to send it to, and it sends it automatically, and it'll tell you when was the last time you sent the data. Now we're going to switch over to any other iOS device other than the 4S. Okay, so pretty much right now on this device I'm currently having to install Spire on it. AssistantConnect4S will only work if you have Spire installed, and it has to be the one off the Big Boss repo, I believe. It's the official install version, so those of you who have any sort of iPad device, last I checked, I don't think that Spire can actually run on it. So AssistantConnect will not actually install on there. It'll probably complain about a dependency issue. So now we just wait for this thing to continue preparing Spire. I think it finished downloading the files. Now it's just setting up the cache. Okay. It's reloading data. Probably is going to ask us to reboot. Okay, let's reboot this device. This is an iPod Touch 4th generation. And it's 5.0.1 jailbroken, as you can probably figure. Okay, should be cutting back on. Trying to keep this thing steady, but I have it plugged in and it's off the edge of a table. Okay. And hopefully it'll boot up in the next few minutes. And there we are. Okay, then we slide to unlock. Okay, come on. There we are. Oops. Close that out. Okay, and then, now that you have Spire installed, sure you hold the home button. It's going to say Spire not configured. We're going to deal with that later. Go back to Cydia. And wait for it to reload. Shouldn't take that much since we just installed something. Okay, we exit out and we go find and download. We're looking for AssistantConnect. Which, for some odd reason, isn't showing up here, so let's go to the search. There we are, AssistantConnect. Tap install. Confirm. Wait for it to download. It's going to ask us to respring. As far as I've seen, you should not have to reboot after respringing for AssistantConnect. Although there were some reports that it did not initially work, but it worked after reboot. So if you really want to be on the safe side, you can reboot it and it should work. Okay. But time's sake, we're just going to keep going. Slide to unlock. And you see, new icon has been added. Nothing's really there yet. So let's go clear everything out. Okay. Now, obviously, one issue that I'm currently having to deal with is that Spire is still requesting for a proxy. So to get around that, you have to have SB settings installed. You go into the settings application for it, go to mobile substrate add-ons, and disable Spire hooks and Spire injector. And then you just press the home button, and it should respring the device. And once it finishes respringing, I will show you how you deal with it. Okay, so I'm going to slide to unlock here, and you got to pull up the, what's it called? The email with the attachment included in it. I'm going to have to probably point the camera away as I log in to my account because I don't want anybody seeing my information, so. Okay, waiting on it to log in. Okay, that's odd. Having some technical difficulties with my email account. Okay, there we are. Okay, so it's logging me in now, currently to my email, and wait for it to load up all the new email messages. You open the email. You're going to see it sends this AssistantConnect4S.authData. I believe I set it as AssistantConnect. And you open that. Yeah, there we are. AssistantConnect4S AuthData.AssistantConnect. And you just tap on the attachment and get it to open with AssistantConnect. And then it tells you here, file copied successfully. If it ever fails, it will come up with a prompt saying that it failed, and pretty much just try opening it again. It should probably go through that time. Hit dismiss, close out, and then hold the home button. Whoops, I think I activated it and it went back down. What's my name? Yep, dang, it went down. Okay, what is my name?
That's what you told me. Anyway.
And as you can see, Siri is working fine. And no proxies, nothing, everything's working essentially as if Siri were running on the device naturally. There is one catch though. Every 24 hours, 4S will actually go and reload data, so pretty much your data is only valid anytime it's valid with the 4S. And simple fix to that is after you do that first dump where you have to reboot, it'll be just simply activate Siri, go into the application, email the data, and then you're set. Or actually, rather, open the application, activate Siri, then email the data, and then just open it on whatever device that you're using it with, and then you're pretty much set. Yeah, that's pretty much start to finish tutorial on how to use AssistantConnect4S and AssistantConnect on iOS devices. Trying to currently find a better way of having to get around disabling the Spire mobile substrate extensions. I'd rather not have to disable them. Still trying to figure a way of getting around that. Probably once I figure a way around that, I'll post an update on the Big Boss repo. Hopefully shouldn't be that too hard of a thing to fix, but like I said, if it doesn't work initially the first time, just simply reboot the device. It should work. If not, you can simply just send me an email with a device log through Cydia, and I'll look into it as it comes in. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys are actually enjoying these applications. This is, I guess, my second and third tweak that I've released to Cydia ever, so hopefully you guys are satisfied with it. Anyways, have a nice day.